So how you doing today, my man?
Not doing too bad.
All right, so what's your name?
I'm Waden with Hot Rod Stripes.
Oh yeah, what is Hot Rod Stripes?
Hot Rod Stripes, I do custom pinstriping and custom painting.
Oh really? Okay, where you out of?
Black River Falls, Wisconsin.
Oh wow, so you done traveled a bit, huh?
Yep.
All right, man, so I be stalking guys. When I see those classics, we rolling down the interstate, and I start flashing the camera at you, showing you the camera. We done pulled up here, and you let me do this walk around. I truly appreciate it, my man.
Yeah.
All right. So what we got here, though?
This is a 95 Impala SS.
95?
Yep, just my dirty daily.
Okay, so dirty day to mean you drive it every day, huh?
Every day.
Every day.
The latest trend is the cartoon trend.
Okay.
So I figured I'd give my handle on that. And
so what is this, all hand painted?
all hand painted.
All hand painted?
Posca markers.
Okay.
And just trying out something different.
All right, that sounds good, my man. Well, it got my attention. Well, also, I got an Impala too, so,
yeah.
You know, but no, I love Impalas though. I see you got air ride and everything on here.
Yep.
You mind doing a little bit for me?
Any switch box.
Wow, she go up pretty high too. My man, my man. So what size tires you got on here?
Fronts are 2s, rears are 4s.
Oh really? Some big ones back there too.
And it rolls laid out.
What does that mean now?
That means that when it's sitting like this, I can still go straight down that road.
Oh, okay, okay. So, ma'am, there's no way for me to see the airbags from the hood or no?
Not really.
Not really, huh?
Tucked up under the spring pockets.
Oh, okay, okay. So they in there and it don't did you have to cut on anything or?
A little bit of cutting, just to make sure that the bag doesn't touch metal.
Yeah, I done watched a few videos on that, so that's all right though, my man. Well, you mind opening the door? You say she's not clean on the inside because you're a daily driver, but...
It ain't rusty junk, though.
You know, it's not rusted at all.
It was the factory, that green metallic.
Oh, okay. This was the green one, huh?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Man, these cars are still rare. I don't care what... You got the original LT1 up under there?
Original LT1. It's cammed, and it's got a shift kit in the transmission.
Oh, really?
Yep. I got it out of Michigan last fall.
Oh, really? So when you said cam, what size? You just put a mild cam in it?
No
or?
idea.
Oh,
the dude
okay.
told me it has a cam, and I know that it rips.
Oh, okay. It runs, huh?
Yep. You got the clear tails, the OG clear tails.
Right, right.
They really add to the look of the paint
the
job.
car, right, right. Yeah, that's nice, my man. Well, I just wanted to get you on here real quick. I'm actually headed out to my son's for Father's Day out in Burlington, so... Yeah, I just see. I'm glad you pulled over. I hope you think I wasn't stalking you or nothing, but...
You had an Impala SS. We were good.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Man, that sounds good. All right, man. Well, I appreciate you pulling over, taking out the time for me, and I pray that you enjoy the rest of your day.
Thanks, sir.
All right, I'm going to catch you rolling out here, though.
All right.
All right, my man. Thanks for the time. That is nice, guys. A little different, a little different. Got airbags, air shocks, air on there and everything, guys. That's all right. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. That is nice. Running good too.